Hello guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to install and configure DNS by using PowerShell in Windows Server 2012. First we will install DNS, and then second we will configure our forward lookup zone. Third we will configure our reverse lookup zone. And fourth, we will configure our resource record. So let's get started. This is my server, and what I will do is I will open my server as administrator. Okay, now I have opened my server as administrator. First we have to check and see whether we have not installed our DNS. So to verify, we will just type get Windows future name DNS. Just hit enter. Okay, as we can see, our DNS has not been installed. If had not been installed, we will see these two boxes check XX. So now we can go on by installing our DNS. So we'll say add Windows future name DNS, including management tools, and we just click enter. Now we are installing our DNS, including management tools. After installing our DNS, we will go again to check whether we have installed it by tapping the get Windows future command. We'll just tap. Now you can see we have installed our DNS. These two boxes are checked. So now we will go and configure our forward lookup zone. So how can we configure our forward lookup zone? We will tap add DNS server primary zone name, the name, and then it's TC1. we'll say TC1, and our zone file, that is our domain name, net.com.dns, and then dynamic update. Our dynamic update is none, secure, and then we hit enter. So now we have configured our forward lookup zone. So let's go and configure our reverse lookup zone, but before that we have to tap IP config to verify our IP address. So our IP address is 192.168.20.2. So to reverse this IP address, that is to configure the reverse lookup, our IP address will be 20.168.192. So to configure our reverse lookup zone, what we will do is we'll add DNS primary zone, our network ID. Our network ID is 192.168.20.0/24 because it's our class C IP address. Then we'll give our zone file That is our reverse lookup IP address is 20.168.192. That is our reverse IP address .in dash address .ipa.dns. We hit enter. So now we have configured our reverse lookup zone. Finally, we will try to configure our resource record. So to configure our resource record, we will type add DNS server resource record 8, and then what we will do, we will say name and our record name. Our record name is client 78 or 789. It's okay, or we just say 1 2 3. That will be okay. And then we have a client and our zone name. Our zone name is our server name DC1, and then from there we will allow update any, and after that we will type our IP. That would be 192.168.20.140. Then after that we will hit enter. So finally we have configured our resource record. So let's go and check to see whether we have configured our DNS. So to check it, we will open Server Manager, and then we will try to click on Tools and find our DNS. And this is the DNS Manager interface. So if we expand DC1, we will see this is our reverse lookup zone. You can see, as you can see, it's configured, and then our forward lookup zone is configured, and we check our reserve lookup zone is configured too. So this is how we can configure our DNS, and also how we can install our DNS. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.